In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Pandadoc. If you find yourself in a situation where you need to remove a workspace that's no longer needed, or maybe you've made some changes and it's just a bit cluttered, don't worry, it's a simple process. Let's walk through it together. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to Pandadoc. Launch your browser and navigate to the Pandadoc dashboard. You can do this by entering app.pandadoc.com into your browser's address bar. Once you hit enter, you'll be directed to the login page. If you're not logged in already, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where you can manage all your Pandadoc documents and workspaces. Now that you're on the dashboard, the next step is to click on Help. This is usually located in the upper part of the interface. Clicking there will provide you with various options. The Help section is designed to guide you through any issues you might be experiencing and provides quick access to support. Look for the option that says Contact Support and click on it. This will take you to the support contact page. Why go through support, you might ask? Well, unlike some settings which you can control directly, deleting a workspace in Pandadoc requires assistance from their support team. They ensure that this action is deliberate and secure, as removing a workspace is not just about deleting a folder, it's about removing all associated data and settings, which can have significant effects if done unintentionally. Once you find yourself on the Contact Support page, you're almost there. Here, you will need to initiate a conversation with the support team. You can usually start a chat, or alternatively, find the email option if you prefer that method. Clearly communicate to the support team that you wish to delete a workspace. Be prepared to provide any necessary details, such as the name of the workspace or confirmation that you have the right permissions to request its deletion. They'll guide you through any questions they might have and proceed with your request. It's important to give them clear instructions and confirm that you want this action to be permanent. Once it's completed, it can't be undone. They might take a little time to process the request or may ask follow-up questions to ensure that everything is organized correctly. Just follow their guidance and they'll handle the rest. That's all it takes. Although it might seem straightforward once you know the steps, remember the key is to communicate clearly with the support team. By doing so, you'll ensure that your intentions are correctly understood and acted upon. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions about using Pandadoc, feel free to check out our other videos for more comprehensive guides.